I haven't enjoyed this process so far. I had a DJI account already set up that I didn't know about, so it wouldn't let me. And more importantly, my lavalier mic doesn't work in it. Oh, this is getting involved in it. So change shooting mode. Welcome back to the channel. So today it's an equipment upgrade. When I started with this little Acasso, it's the Brave 7, and for the money, it was a good starting point. I mean, you get the camera, you got a remote with it. I got a free gift at the time, so I've got 4 batteries, everything you needed to get going. And it's been fine. I mean, the video quality I've got no problem with, but there's a problem with it that I just can't seem to get around. And that's the audio. I've tried different mics, tried a wireless mic, lavalier mics, moving it in different positions in the helmet. And the majority of the time it's fine, but then you just get this click and it makes editing a real pain to the point where you just don't want to do it. And you get and it's not like, I would say it's peaking, but there's no audio adjustment in here. So you kind of, it is what it is. It's just a straight line in and that's it, you're done. So you can't really play with it. Got in touch with Acasso and there's nothing they can do really. So I've decided to bite the bullet and demote this to B-roll. So this will be my new face-facing camera. I'm going to put it on handlebars basically and give it have another point of view. So that's going to be relegated to that now, because the video is fine, but the audio is just, for what I use it for, it's just no good. So upgrade time. So what I've gone for is the DJI Action 5. I got the camera, and I at the same time, because there was a sale on, so this was a little bit cheaper. I paid $259 for that, and then you got 15% off accessories, or 4 accessories I think. So I got the handlebar mount, and that's what the Acasso is going to live on now, to give me another bit of B-roll. But I didn't get the remote. With the Acasso it came with it, which was great. I mean, I thought I'd never use it, but actually I use this all the time, because fighting the camera with gloves on, trying to turn it on is a real mission. So I need a remote for this, but I haven't seen many good, if any, good reviews on the DJI remote. And that's kind of backed up on eBay. You see a lot of them broken for sale. So if you know of a good remote for the Action 5, because if this works out, I'd like to get another one for the camera so I can hit one button and they both start recording, but that's a future me problem. But anyway, this is the Action 5 Pro and the mount. So let's get into this camera. That's the camera. It looks tiny. I don't know if that's any. Is that smaller? I wouldn't have thought so. I think they're all sort of like a similar sort of size. No, it's about the same size. It's a little bit thicker than my old one, but I mean, size-wise, that's fine. That's not a problem. So there's a battery compartment. It only comes with 1 battery, but to be honest, I've got 4 for that, and I don't really use the other 3. I have to periodically charge them so that they don't start messing about. What have we got in here? Stickers. Bring the memory card. Oh, yeah. Good advice. I've done that. Accessories. That kind of looks like it's open, but there isn't a slot for that to go in. So that's weird. That's the case. USB. Instructions. Quick start guide. Cable, and then the other bit that I like about the DJI, which should be in here, is the mount that it's got. It's magnetic, so it's easier to unclip and clip it on, because that can be a bit of a faff. On this one, it's all these screws, you know, everything you do is bolted on, whereas this should clip in. So there's the case. Seems to be a lot of accessory cases for these. I don't know why that would be. I'm guessing there's a better way of doing it perhaps. That's the mount. sticky pad and the battery. I tell you what, they don't want this stuff escaping, do they? Right. So that's what you get in the box. Don't eat that. Good advice, eh? Why do we need to know that? Right, so I'm going to read the instructions. Let's see what the startup procedure is. First thing is the DJI Mimo app. So I'm going to go to the Play Store. So while that's doing that, we shall stick the battery in. This you push up and then fold it out. Now, what I don't know is any sort of charge in this at all. Turn it on. English. Right, you have to set up a DJI account first, and I'd kind of already done it. Done. Right, come on. You have to search for the device. It's a bit of a faff, you can't even take a picture out of it without any of this. Oh, it's getting better. There we go. Connect. You're not going to see that. Keep the app open and do not leave the current page during activation. Purchase and bind within 30 days. Oh, I haven't got DJI Care Refresh, and you can poke that. I made this look easier, I know. You know. You don't have to. Where I'm recording this, I couldn't see the skip button underneath it. So there's a skip button. You don't have to purchase the care plan. So I was thinking, hang on, we need a subscription to use a camera. This is going back in the box. Right, get started. Shutter record button. Press once to take photos or record. Press and hold to enable snapshot while camera is powered off. Quick search button. Should we take this off? Swipe left to right to show. Oh, this is getting involved in it. So you change shooting mode. Right, okay. Right, 16% battery. Oh, that's good. Right, anyway, the camera's there. Oh, mate. This isn't the how you're going to do this. This is going to be how you embarrass yourself on YouTube. Oh, it's telling you the same thing here. Right, okay, range files efficiently. Update firmware, blah, blah, blah. Update unleash your creativity. So how do you update the firmware then? Downloading firmware. Right, it's going to do a firmware update. Right, let me get that sorted. So basically, this is my new camera. It's a lot more complicated to set up than that thing was. Just paired it to the app and off it went. However, that picture looks better. Obviously, the LEDs it's interfering with. Digital zoom. We'll see. I'm going to have to charge it up because it's got 16% in it. So let me get this updated. And then I think the next thing is we'll have a look at this. How I'm going to edit this video so it's not like 50 minutes long. I don't know, but firmware update. And it should be just point and shoot then. After that, we're installing new firmware. But the battery has to be above 15%. So it keeps going around in a loop until you plug it in. So I'm installing new firmware. I haven't enjoyed this process so far. I had a DJI account already set up that I didn't know about, so it wouldn't let me put my email in. However, buyer's remorse. This is the clamp I'm going to be using. And this actually feels alright. This is the long one. I was going to go for the short one, but a lot of people were saying that the long one's the one to go for. I don't know if you can even see this. It's so dark in here now. Is that better? Yeah. I don't know what's happened to the sun. It was all right. Anyway, so that's the handlebar clamp. And it comes in the box with an insert for if you want to put it, say you wanted to put in your mirrors or something, if you had mirrors. And there's a screw. But it feels quite well made actually. This, I would say this is metal, aluminium, or aluminum. And then the handlebar clamp. So that's kind of self-explanatory. And it feels really solid. You don't have to tighten it up massively, and it really seems to grip. So that's good. So this is where, has that done it? Oh, update successfully done. Right, okay, that was my software updating. Right, so we should be in business with the camera. Back to the bracket. So what I'm going to do now is this, the older Casso is going to be mounted to this. And this is what I mean. Every time you move this thing, I can get rid of that bracket, but these still fit. I don't think I need that on there. And then that'll be facing forward. Good. It's a bit longer than I would like, but we'll get rid of that one. So I've got that bracket as well. Right. Progress so far. Camera's on. The little bracket, the magnet, I like the magnet bit. This little section here is a little bit longer than the one off the Casso, so that's going to be poking up a little bit higher. I don't think it's going to be a problem. Just have to see what the angle's like. I might have to play around with that, because I had it set. I could just literally stick the camera on there, push it back as far as it went, and it was, you know, where I needed it to be. But I don't know if that's going to be a bit too far back now. Anyway, so that's good. Setting up was a bit of a mission. It wasn't anywhere near as easy as the Casso. And more importantly, my lavalier mic doesn't work in it. It's a USB lavalier mic, but I know that DJI do this little adapter thing. So I think I'll have to get one of them. It's like 40 something quid. So yeah, but so far so good. I'm going to try and get out and do some bike footage now. But I don't know what the order's going to be like, because I think it's going to be relying solely on the mic in the camera. So I don't think I'm going to. I think I've gone backwards. I'm not going forwards. I might get rid of the clicking, but the audio is going to be pretty poor until I get that adapter, which is a nightmare. But I'll get this fitted. This should be fairly straightforward. Just stick it on a set of handlebars. Try and do some wide footage. But that's my new camera. It hasn't gone well. This isn't how this video was. Well, I didn't think this is how this video was going to go. It's been a bit of a clumsy fumble. But this happens, I suppose. This is where we are now. Like I say, you can't do anything with that yet. You can't just switch the camera on, which I find really annoying. You should be able to just turn the camera on. If you don't want the app, you shouldn't have to have it. But however, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, help me grow the channel. I'll see you on the next one. I'll go for a ride now. I need some goodness. I need something to go right.